Boom! What's up, everybody? My name is Ken Scotwell, and today we'll be doing the last image and the last software, which is Franzis Cut Out Professional. And we'll be doing the same tree here, and we're gonna let the software do the work. I'm not gonna be trying to do it. If they can refine it, I will do it. So far, I haven't found a way to refine the selection after on a really good way like you do on Affinity Photo or Topaz Mask AI, but I'll give it my best shot and we'll see what's going on. If you like this tutorial, please hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and leave your comments down below. I really appreciate it, and it helps my channel out a whole lot. Let me know how you think Franzis is gonna do, and who you think is the winner. And I will be next week. I will be judging and tell you my thoughts on the softwares. Let's get to it. So again, we gotta do in and out here. And I gotta do the inside outside tool. But I'm gonna try these here right now, which makes it's instead of clicking and dragging, this is drawing. So I'm gonna take the inside here. I'm gonna just drag it out. We're gonna see if this helps. I gotta be honest with you, I did some testing before I started this video, and this was what gave the best results. But we'll see if that still holds true. And then we just gotta do the outside line as well. And it's definitely faster. But you can see even the Rising Beast is making this trail a little bit. And so it's definitely it's not as optimized as the other two softwares. So now we can see we have an in and out line here. We're gonna hit Matic and we'll just see what it does. And as you can see, the outside here looks really decent, but it hasn't done anything with the open areas inside or here. So this is the problem. Now there's no way of easily refining this. Only way I found that kind of works is this one, but it doesn't really work either, because doing this and all these little tiny parts, this is gonna take several hours to do, and you can see it doesn't. The edges gets too sharp on it. They say this paint tool, add foreground or paint, so you could also paint here like we did last time. Just making the brush smaller, hit OK, hold down Shift. But you see, that doesn't look particularly great either. They say they have this here, add area to be removed. I can't really tell you that I think this works much better either. So if I wanted this area, see, it doesn't. It just gives you the circle and nothing more. And I wish there was the shortcut keys here would work for changing brush sizes. And you can see here it's very not user friendly if you ask me for this type of stuff. But I'll give it a few minutes or goes here and we'll see what's what. I'm gonna hit apply again, and it's doing something, but you see it didn't do anything on this area here. So I'm gonna try this one again. We're just gonna see here, and then hit apply, and we'll see if this gets removed or not. and you can see it just takes off the whole tree here. So I'm gonna there, and this is another thing with Franzis that I haven't found. There's no good way. See the undo buttons here and redo doesn't really work. So at least for me, there's no good way. So I gotta just save this as it is, and we'll see that. So we can see here is the blacked out version of this image, and I'll save it out like this. And next video we're gonna compare all three images with all three softwares and see who we think looks the best. So if you like this tutorial, please hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, leave your comments down below who you think is the winner. If you have a clear winner, we'd love to hear it. It helps my channel out a lot, and I'll see you all next time.